When I was still a kid, one of the awesome sightings in the kitchen was to observe egg white turn to white in a hot frying pan. This is protein denaturation. It happens when chemical bondings inside the egg white proteins are broken. These proteins change their shapes and cause coagulation, a process that involves changing a liquid to solid state. In this case, sterilizations of medical equipment using high temperature can kill bacteria by denaturing proteins in them. Adding acidic lime juice can denature proteins too. Acids affect hydrogen bonding and ionic bondings in proteins. This is how acid make cheese from milk, and lemon juice is used in curing salmon. More denaturants, the salt. The charged salt ions interfere with the ionic bondings inside the egg protein's molecule, causing them to unfold and gives white opaque appearance. Heavy metal salts such as silver nitrate is used in specific antibacterial treatment because it can denature bacterial cellular proteins. Another denaturant is the solvent. Let's use the alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Alcohol disrupts hydrogen bonding within proteins molecules. Alcohol is used as antiseptic, is applied to the body, and disinfectants are applied to non-living surfaces to kill bacteria by damaging the proteins. So, pick up an egg today and try out these experiments at home. Continue to explore more interesting findings as you learn biology.